This is how to buy your OneKey hardware wallet safely. For you to get to this page, you see the link below the description of this video. It is very important that you buy directly from the official OneKey website. Make sure you avoid random sellers and marketplaces, and ensure you choose trackable shipping options. I will walk you through the buying process right now. As soon as you get to the website, I'm using app. You come to this place, you tap it. You can see hardware wallet. You tap hardware wallet. As at the time of this video, there is a promo currently running. If you buy OneKey Pro, it's going to cost you this amount, and you are going to get this amount in BTC preloaded on the hardware wallet. The same thing apply to OneKey Classic 1S. That is this one. This is the cost, and it has $20 BTC preloaded, and the same thing applies to this OneKey Classic 1 Pure. When this promo ends, if you use my link, which is below the description of this video, you have a discount of 10% on any of the products of your choice. In case you are watching this video in the future where there's no promo currently going on. Suppose you are buying OneKey Classic 1S, you tap on it, you scroll down. All you need to do is to tap buy. You can see this promo will end by 15th. That is when the 10% discount will kick in. You can't apply the two at the same time. You can see this is the gift card, $20 Bitcoin that will be preloaded to this hardware wallet, and this is the cost. So all you need to do is to tap here to add to bag. If in case of future damages you want to do a cover, that's when you use all this. Otherwise you just skip it. Don't bother yourself with it. So you skip that. So you can see OneKey Classic, then you tap checkout. The order summary, the amount is $99. You can use your PayPal, you can use Google Pay. You input your Gmail. If you scroll down, you put your name here, your surname here, which is the last name. You insert the delivery address here, your city, your state, your postal code, and your phone number. Irrespective of your country, you just fill that. These are shipping methods. If you don't want to pay for shipping and delivery, it will take between 25 to 35 days. But if you want to get standard shipping, you pay this amount. It will take between 7 to 18 days. If you want a quick delivery within 5 to 8 days, you pay $28. These are different payment methods. You can use your credit card, your debit card. This is where you complete them. You can also use your PayPal. Another good thing about this is that you can use crypto to pay. That is, you can use USDT to pay. You can send money from your MetaMask, your Trust Wallet, or from your exchange like Bybit. By the time you tap this place, you are going to get a wallet address that you're going to transfer the money to, and before you know it, you will complete the payment and the order will be shipped to your destination. So that is how you make purchase of your OneKey Classic 1S hardware wallet.